Hello, students. Or should I say, bonjour.
What is going on? Is this a gag?
Look! It's Slumber Not a Monkey!
I'm Professor Freeman. You may also call me by my more fashionable moniker, Prof. Nana. Did I surprise you? Don't worry, students. I've not gone mad. The reason I'm appearing before you like this is to show our new students the ethos of Paperfold University. Color your dreams. Free your ideals. Lovely aspiration. But I hear that the words ring hollow nowadays. The pressure of schoolwork has kept all of you from looking up at the beautiful starry sky of the dreamscape. My schedule for the semester is packed. All I do is eat, study, and sleep. It's so hard to prepare for my thesis defense. I'm stuck on my thesis. My dearest students, this is not the way. This is not how youngsters in the land of the dreams should behave. So today, I bring you good news. After some discussion, the teaching research team has come to a unanimous decision to cancel all courses and exams for this semester. Everyone who attends the school anniversary will earn their credits. Yes, do not doubt your ears, young ones. Freedom. This is what Paperfold University yearns to teach you. Leave your worries over school and life behind and express yourself. Spread the love of your favorite things, such as Slumber Nana Monkey, to every corner of the campus. Welcome to the Dreamlight Anniversary. Color your dreams. Free your ideas.
Looks like Paperfold University is more open-minded than the rumors say. It really suits Penacon.
The tuning test is up next.
Let's go. The waiting area is in the open classroom.